Hi, senior parents. I am Robin Metz, and I am teaching senior IB 12, at least first semester. I also teach TOK and I teach world history. I have taught pretty much all the histories or social studies at Inglemoor High School. I have been teaching here for 20 years, but about 26 years in total. So I'm excited to be working with your seniors. We are working on authoritarian states. We are working on getting back into the content, the vocab, understanding what's going to be expected on the internal assessments and the IB exams. And I'm working closely with Chris McQueen to, make sure I'm covering the right content. We're doing the exact same things in the different classes. So I'm working very, very closely, and not sure if Miss Monahan's coming back second semester or anything right now. I have known some of your students. I also, have some of them in TOK, some of them I only have in history, but it's great to get to know them. But I want you to know that I'm here to help them. We all are here to help them and reduce the anxiety of being back at school. There'll be a lot of discussion based. We'll have some readings. We'll have, class time to process and analyze, what they're learning, and to help them just well on their way and have success and feel competent in their senior IB history class. So I'm excited to work with them. There's not a main textbook. There's just definitely some in-depth readings. So, we're challenging them, but then we're helping them understand the content in various ways. So I just wanted to introduce myself, and the syllabus is the kids have access through Schoology. So if you have any questions, and you can email me at rmetz@nsd.org. I'm in a couple different classrooms, so that's probably the best way to reach me. And yeah, I'm just looking forward to working with your students more. It's been great so far. Love having them back on campus. And they seem to be enjoying it. Obviously, the parking lot is an issue, but everything else is going great, and everyone's working on that. And so lots of patience and grace as we get into this new norm. But anyways, please reach out if you have any questions, and go Vikes.